Alpacas are very dangerous. So don't try this in Korea. We booked this via Klook. Kinuha namin yung day tour with rail bike and Nami Island. This was the first stop since ang alpaca show ay once a day lang at 10 a.m. so make sure you don't miss it. Upon arrival, napakaganda ng scenery, may snack bar, art shop at cafe. If nag-DIY kayo, may bilihan ng ticket dito at ito yung mga prices niya. Senior and kid friendly naman but make sure to wear comfy shoes since may mga uphill and downhill na lalakaran. Bukod sa alpaca, marami pang ibang animals na pwedeng makita dito at may iba't ibang schedule ng shows din. Since group tour ito, we have less than 2 hours to stay here kaya most of our time we spent with the alpacas na. Sobrang nakakaaliw kasi bababa sila ng sabay-sabay papasok sa fence kung nasaan kaming lahat na tourist. May free alpaca food naman na ibibigay ang mga staff para magkaroon kayo ng interaction with them. Kung nabitin ka man, pwede kang bumili ng 1 cup ng alpaca food for only 1,000 won. First time ko makakita ng alpaca and it was super fun. Kaya nga lang,
Ari! Nangangagat ang hayop.
hindi ako nakinig sa guide on some few reminders like dapat flat ang palm pag magpapakain para makakain ng maayos yung alpaca ng food nila. And also, touch its shoulders, back, and neck, not the tail at baka masipa ka nito at tumalsik pabalik ng Pilipinas. Alpacas are very dangerous. Don't try this in Korea if you are not going to follow the rules and guidelines of this tour. Would you also try this?